Hello everyone and welcome to today's Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Neil Harris and the topic of today's masterclass is this: will you or won't you? The challenge of future forms in English. In my experience as a teacher trainer working with teachers around the world, one of the most challenging areas of English grammar is that of futurity, and in particular the question of whether will is or isn't enough, both for teachers' own language use, but also equally importantly for the learning of their students. I'm going to suggest today that no, will is not enough. We will look at some of the alternatives to will, but also an explanation of why will just isn't enough in order to convey subtleties of meaning, which can, in some cases, quite radically change the message.